The provided code is an Arduino sketch that controls a robotic arm using an infrared IR remote control. The robotic arm has 4 servos, motor-controlled joints, that allow it to move in different directions based on the IR remote signals received. Here's a breakdown of how the code works. 1. *** includes statements. The code starts by including the necessary libraries for using the servo motors and the IR remote control. Servo library is used to control servo motors. IR-remote library is used to decode IR signals. 2. *** servo initialization. 4 servo objects named S1, S2, S3, and S4 are created to control the 4 servos of the robotic arm. 4 integer variables, a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, are initialized with initial angles for the corresponding servos. 3. **IR, receiver initialization. An IRFE object named R is created to receive IR signals using a digital pin 7. A decode_results object D is created to store the decoded IR signal data. 4. *** setup function. In the setup function, the IR receiver is enabled using R-enable IRIN. Serial communication is started at a baud rate of 9600 for debugging purposes. Each servo is attached to its respective PWM, pulse width modulation. Pin 8, 9, 10, and 11. 5. *** loop function. The loop function is where the main code execution takes place, and it continuously checks for incoming IR signals. 6. **IR signal decoding. If an IR signal is received and successfully decoded, if r.decode ND, the value of the decoded signal, D value, is stored in the variable V. 7. *** servo control based on IR signal. The code then uses a series of if statements to determine which IR signal was received and adjusts the angles of the servos accordingly. The angles of the servos are adjusted incrementally within loops to achieve smooth movement. The comments in the code indicate the direction of movement and the corresponding IR signal value for each servo. 8. *** resuming IR receiver. After processing the IR signal, R.resume is called to prepare the IR receiver for the next signal. The code essentially reads IR signals from a remote control and translates them into movements of the robotic arm's servos. Each movement is triggered by a specific IR signal value, and the angles of the servos are adjusted to control the arm's motion.